Hey there everyone, welcome back. So PHeMoX asked if I can do a rail stand to rail stand flip out heel clacker. Well, let's give it a try and see if I can stomp one. There we go, rail stand, flip out with the heel clicker. Let's try a couple other variations with the flip. The toe side flip out with the heel clicker. So I did a couple of the varial flip outs. I did heel click, but it wasn't like solid, but still nailed them as well. There you go, PHeMoX, a bunch of different heel clickers with the flips out. As well, I did a heel clicker and then heel clicker to land. If you got any more trick challenges, comment down below with them and I'll try to get them done. And if you can, please like this video and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching everyone, stay safe, God bless you all, take care, and peace out!